In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson WorkForce WF-7820 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-7820 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with an Epson web page here. This is Epson WorkForce Pro WF-7820. Go ahead and open that up. And then just scrolling down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down list and then the Go button. And now that we are here, go down underneath Recommended for You and select the Download button for the driver and utility combo package installer. And then once it's downloaded, select Open File. Should be a verified publisher. Select Yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen wizard of getting your printer set up for your device. If you want to set up a wired or wireless printing configuration, you can do that, as well as enabling certain features and software that may be bundled with your printer. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.